What's up, guys? It's Pandora, the postcard diva, crypto babe. How's everybody doing out there today on this terrific Tuesday? I hope you're having an amazing day today. If you're here for the very first time, you know what to do. Smash it. Smash the subscribe button for me and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back. All right, guys, we're back to talk about daily pay income. Go check it out at www.thecopypastemethod.com. Want to just cover a few things with you today. Something you need to know about marketing online, right? So there's a few things that you need to know, but we're just going to talk about a couple of those, right? Now, you need a product that's high in demand, such as digital products. Okay? What's in demand? What's selling? What is it that people are searching for online when they go and search? How-to, informational products, right? That's considered, we consider that e-learning products. And we're talking digital products because we're in a digital world, right? Everything is instant. You got your smart device. We got our apps. Everything is just instantaneous, right at our fingertips. Mostly on apps, instantly. So digital products, e-learning. E-learning is a billion with a B dollar industry per day. Per day, okay? That is incredible. I've been in digital marketing for some years now. I've purchased different courses, different training, so I definitely love this space. It's one of the simplest and easiest ways to make money online, promoting digital products. So you need products that's high in demand, digital products, preferably e-learning. And guess what? The products that we promote, we get paid 100% commissions. There's no middleman. 100% commissions. What the company receives is the admin fee because they're going to create your website. That's it. Everything else is ours. And we're able to make these 100% commissions over and over and over again. Unlimited times. Because we have to do some work. We have to promote the products, right? That's the other thing. So now you've got your products and you say, well, how do I promote them? That's the other thing. You got to know how to promote them. And that's what we have you covered because I'm going to show you the community and the value in what we have on how to help you promote your digital products. That's the key because people buy programs all the time. People get in different programs, whether it's digital or not. They get in these systems and then they're like, well, hey, how do I promote it? Right? That's key. Then you want to automate your business. That way you're not in front of a computer all day chasing people doing any of that stuff, right? So we automate our business, and guess what? We're going to give you a free done for you system. That's the other thing. So with that, oh, I forgot one thing. And then we're going to add you to our community, a thriving community of over 5,500 people, just like you and I, everyday people from all walks of life that have come here that had no idea about marketing online, making money online, about digital marketing, any of this stuff. And they were able to come in with this proven system, follow a few simple steps, work about 2 hours a day, and have results. We've got the proof. All right? So that's what I want to talk about. So I'm going to giving you the highlights, so let's just go check out a few of these things. All right, let's see here. So let's say you have your digital products. We have 4 digital products that we promote. So let's say you have your digital products. Now you're like, okay, now how do I promote it? And that's where I give you access to come into the community. This is free because you have purchased the products from me, right? The digital products. So I'll send you my link, send you an email, welcome email, and you'll get into the community. And once you're in the community, you see right here it says daily videos. Each day, we're just going to click on whatever that day is. See, this was yesterday, right? It said we click here and, let me go back. Hang on a second. Just showing you how it works. You click on, let's say day 4. Right here, it's an 8-minute video. Now, these are short videos, by the way, because you may say, oh my goodness, is it an hour? No, they're between 5, maybe 10, no more than 15-minute short little videos that may tell you, hey, you need to, let me give you some ideas of what you can do for today. Okay? Then you take that and you put it into the 2-hour workday. Okay? Doesn't have to be 2 hours at one time. It could be 10 minutes here, 15 minutes here, 1 hour here, 30 minutes here. Okay? So every day, that's all you got to do, guys. Click a button. You can do this from your smart device. I have the app on my phone, literally. Okay? Click here, find out, listen to the video, and now you know what you're supposed to do every day. I mean, you can't get any easier or simpler than that, right? And then guess what? Like I said before, we're going to give you a system, all right? Because you need to automate this. You don't want to be monitoring and sitting in front of a computer all day. So you want to automate it. People are going to go to your website. Let me show you what it looks like. Where your capture page, your sales funnel. Check it out. This is what it looks like, right? So they'll go here. Here's mine. Enter in their email. They're going to see a video that's going to explain what's going on. Then there will be a link inside if they want to get started. We'll show them the digital products that we have. And then they can purchase right from there, right? And then in this system is going to be your leads, right? You're going to be able to track all your leads. You're going to be able to see everything, okay? When people opt in, what the email is, what they clicked on, which emails they clicked on. This is a pretty robust system. I may add. You guys, it's non-techy. Trust me. Even the sales funnel that you're going to be given, you go here. We have that inside the community where there's a video. There's videos, small minute videos that's going to walk you through how to set up your funnel. All you got to do is press play. Okay? I followed it to a T. It was very simple. Just follow the instructions and set up my funnel. And it's free. Okay? Because a lot of these programs, these funnels aren't. I have one that I've had for years, and it's not free. It's $50 a month. But I have people that have signed up, so I don't have to pay it, but it's $50 a month. Okay? So this is a free system, and it converts. It's already been proven. All right? Now, we also have a community. That's what I mentioned to you. It's growing by leaps and bounds. I just looked at it the other day. It was 5,400. Yesterday, they were celebrating and mentioned it that it's at 5,500 people now. I'll show you that. Hang on a second. See right here? 5,500 and growing. All right? And as you can see while I'm on this page, look at some of the folks that's talking about sales that they've gotten right here. 2 sales today. My new $50 customer wants to upgrade to the $150. I sold a $150 to another customer today, and it's Happy Friday. I mean, people are talking about the results they're getting. Here's somebody saying, oh, I made a $600 a day. Nothing better than that. Just made my first $600 sale and changed a mama's life. Okay, so you'll be a part of this. And everybody is very nice and kind. They will help you. If you go in there and you type something in the chat, they will answer you. I mean, this is a great community. I haven't seen a great community like this in a long time. Okay, so you're going to love it, trust me. Okay, so recap. Something you need to know about marketing online. You need digital products, right? In the e-learning industry, you need high demand products. You need to know how to promote them, which we're going to show you. So check. We have that covered for you. We got the digital products. We're going to show you how to promote them. We're going to give you a free automated system, okay, so you can track all your leads and your sales. And you're going to join a thriving community of 5,500 folks. Right now, that thing is growing. So next week, it'll probably be 5,600. But at any rate, you'll be a part of community, so you're not in business by yourself. Okay? You're in business for yourself, but not by yourself. All right, guys? So definitely go check it out. I'm excited about it. I've been promoting this particular program, okay, for a while. But I've learned several gems I've gotten from this. And I've been able to tweak what I was doing. And it actually worked, because I was able to get 2 sales just getting started last week with the strategies that we've got here. All right, $600 came in from me doing some of these things that they're showing in this group. All right, so definitely go check it out. Go at www.thecopypastemethod.com. Get involved. It's the new year. Make some change. The new year is upon us. If you want to see something different, you got to do something different. All right? Go check it out. Thank you so much for checking out the video. Like the video, please, and thank you. And on your way out, don't forget to smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Till next time, be safe out there. See you on the next video. Have a blessed day.